Was the deliberate killing of the 6-year-old Hind Rajab self-defense? Her family were trying to escape Gaza because the Israeli occupiers were coming in. Their car was ambushed and her family were killed. The 6-year-old little girl survived, and her 15-year-old sister, Layan, also survived. So Layan took the mobile phone and dialed her family. Come and save us, she said. Save us from the tanks that are coming to kill us. As she is speaking to the Red Crescent, shots are heard. The phone goes silent and she dies. So the 6-year-old takes the phone and then she pleads with them to come and save her. It's getting dark, she says. I'm scared. I'm hungry. The tanks are coming closer. Please come and save me, she says. So the Red Crescent send an ambulance with 2 ambulance men to save this little girl. They share their coordinates with the Israeli IDF, so there is no confusion. As the doors are heard opening of the ambulance from the family that are on the phone to the little girl, they hear shots fired again, and then the phone is silenced. 12 days later, their bodies are recovered. The little girl is dead. Her 15-year-old sister is dead. The other 6 members of her family of the little girl are discovered 12 days later. Was that self-defense? Was that defending your right to exist, your right to remain? I would say it doesn't sound like self-defense to me.